The number one thing I've learned from selling 5.4 million on Amazon with no experience is that weird, embarrassing, and boring items will make you the most money. I'm about to share with you what no other guru will tell you for free. Exactly how and where you can find profitable products to sell on Amazon. What I'm about to share with you has the power to change your entire life. So make sure that you stay until the very end where I'm gonna reveal 3 products I've sold on Amazon, exactly how I found them, and how you can get hundreds of profitable item leads sent to you every single day so you can make money while you sit on your couch with your dog instead of cussing your boss out in your head while not saying a word because you have bills to pay. I'm Morgan Rainey, but you can call me Lil Mo. 5 years ago, I was miserable at a job that I hated. And today, I'm gonna reveal exactly how I went from living paycheck to becoming a self-made millionaire by 30 thanks to selling random items on Amazon. I then taught this method to a power couple, Patrick and Heather, who hit 10K in monthly sales just a few months after they started selling on Amazon with no experience. But still, people say that Amazon FBA is dead, it's oversaturated, and it's too late to start making money selling products on Amazon. I'm gonna prove to you that making money on Amazon is still a great opportunity. If you've been struggling to find products to sell, this video is for you. I'm gonna share exactly how I find items to sell on Amazon, doing online arbitrage using the Selling in the Fast Lane Amazon Discord group. 5 quick tips. Buy items from the group priced $15 or more. The more expensive, the less competition you're gonna have and less races to the bottom. Use a simple spreadsheet to keep track of all of your purchases. You wanna save the listing that you're gonna be selling on, where you got it from, the price you paid, so you can work smarter, not harder. Make sure you use cashback sites, kind of like Rakuten, for free money. We have made $13,000 since signing up. Get $40 in free money here. Check if you're even allowed to sell or get approval before spending 1 penny. And do not go in at the lowest price. You're gonna be leaving money on the table, so compete with the Amazon FBA offer prices. Let's get down to business. Let's head to my computer screen where the magic happens, and I'll show you exactly how to get started. If you want to hit your first 10K in Amazon sales, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to be the first millionaire in your family, comment, show me what to buy, and make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our free tutorials that we have every single week. I built a relationship with the owner of this Discord group so that you can try it 100% for free for 30 days to see if you even like it. So if you want to get that, just head to CajunVenturesMo.com/Discord, and you want to use the code CajunVentures. It has to be all caps, and you will get right in. So he's going to email you a link. You're going to basically download the Discord server, and it is going to look something like this. So as soon as you log in, you want to introduce yourself to the group. Not only is this an Amazon leads list, but the help section is a game changer for your business. If you want to get ungated to sell any brands, you just want to head to this ungating chat, search the brand. They're going to tell you exactly where to order 10 units to be able to submit that receipt, and you can sell so many more products on Amazon. I've been selling for almost 6 years, and this group has gotten me ungated for brands I never thought I could get ungated for. So the main areas you want to focus on is the online arbitrage section. So the OA leads is online arbitrage leads, and you want to focus on these 5 categories. Every day they post hundreds, so let's just look through it and find one as an example. So personally, I look for at least a return of investment of at least 50%. It's your business, so it's your rules, but oh my gosh. Okay, so this is crazy. You could make a ton of money selling these tampons. Are you joking? Okay, so here's how it works, guys. So this takes the guesswork out of finding products. What it does, it shows you the supplier. So the supplier is Walmart. It shows you the Amazon listing, and then it has everything broken down for you. The cost price, the selling price, your net profit. So we're gonna pay about $15.36 because this is a 2-pack of tampons. Very important, check the quantity to make sure you got it right. And the selling price is $35.99, which leaves you with a net profit of $10.17. And they do freaking 1,400 sales a month. So how do you actually get this product? Well, it's way easier than you think. You want to click this link that is going to take you directly to the supplier, okay? So it's walmart.com, and all I have to do, I don't even have to go to the store and see the crazy people of Walmart. I'm just gonna add this to my cart and have it sent either to my house, where I'm gonna stick Amazon sticker on it and send it in, or if you use a prep center, you just send it to them and they do all the work for you. So you're gonna add that item to your cart. Then you wanna open up the actual Amazon listing. I use this other awesome tool called Seller Amp, and what it shows you is your actual profit. So the things you wanna look at on here, you want to scroll down to see the price over time, where I actually noticed it was actually selling for a little bit more. Then you want to focus on the other sellers. So you're gonna scroll down here. I'm only competing against FBA sellers because I'm gonna send these products to Amazon directly. So I am seeing they do about 1,400 monthly sales, and there are about 12 FBA sellers. So you're probably wondering, how many of those 1,400 sales can I actually get? So I take the number of sales and I divide it by the FBA sellers. So let's see what that comes out to. So 1,400 divided by 12 is about 116. So let's err on the side of caution. Let's say that we can get 100 of these 1,400 monthly sales. And then let me see what our profit margin was on here. Okay, $11.39. So $11.39 times 100 sales, y'all. That is $1,139 profit and extra money for your family. If you get 5 products like this a month, that's over $5,000 a month, and you don't even have to create a product from scratch. You're literally just a middleman. Don't sleep on online arbitrage because it has the power to change everything for you. So let's find another product from this Discord group. So this is Jurassic World Velociraptor Blue Mask, however you say it. Okay, so this is from some place called Smith's Food and Drug, and I've never even heard it. And this is a little Amazon hack for you. Don't just rely on a Discord group or leads list because some of these items can get oversaturated. What I'm gonna do while I'm on this site that I've never even heard of, I'm gonna look and see if there are even more products that I can sell. I have found some items in this Discord group, and I've gone on those sites and added 20 more products to my inventory because nobody else is gonna know about them, so always be on the lookout for more products. So I click on it and I see that I can get this for $13.99 delivery. So I wanna go look at Amazon and see what it's actually selling for. I usually run Seller Amp just to compare those two numbers. So let's see about how many sales they're making. It looks like this is making about 557 sales a month with about 20 sellers. So let's say we just get like 27 of those sales, give or take, at $8.73 profit each. That's $235 profit from a freaking dinosaur mask. Money is everywhere, y'all. You just have to go find it. Since you stayed until the very end, I'm gonna share with you some products I actually got in the Discord group and sold a ton of. And there are way more, but I'm keeping them a secret because they're helping feed my family right now. So this one blew my mind. Hacky sacks, y'all. Okay, so you can see my biggest regret is not buying more of these. So I had paid $11 for these and they were selling for $29.99 each, and I sold out of them immediately. I did $338 in sales. Now, if you guys ever watch Magic School Bus like I did growing up, this is a nostalgic product. So I got this product, and at first the price had gone down, so I decided to wait it out. It is a Magic School Bus backpack, and thank God I held my price high because in just 30 days, I did $702.81 in sales. So this was a very, very profitable item. You just never know what's gonna sell, but fortunately for you, they have tools that find products for you based off of data so you don't have to go with your gut. Thanks for watching today's training on how to find products to sell on Amazon using Selling in the Fast Lane Discord group. If you enjoyed this video, you will definitely like this video showing you even more ways to find profitable products. I'll see you on the next video. Now y'all, go make that money!